Well, regarding po sa 10 billion, no, an additional 10 billion infused by the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations for the construction of school buildings, no. Pero ini po 10 billion na ni Chair Pio, this will be implemented nationwide, no. But of course, a portion of that will be allocated in the Bicol region, no. So beneficiary po sa tuyang region for the 10 billion, no, part of the 10 billion. So other 10 billion also was allocated for repair and renovation of classrooms. So there will be a total of 20 billion solely the construction and repair of our classrooms po nationwide. Well, our approach was based on the data that was submitted to us by the Department of Education. So, yes, I am confident that this will answer the lack of classrooms or ito pong mga classrooms pero raraot and then po nagagamit kasi tuya po mga estudyante. So that was given an allocation, a funding, and that is a priority program or for the infrastructure project. So, nag-identify kita ang mga eskwelahan po na raraot and talagang totally dilapidated. So kita po man mismo nakipag-uron man sa mga school officials, no, in coordination with the district congressmen, with the DepEd officials. So kung ano po itong mga listahan na sinarabmit po sa MUYA, no, sa Appropriations Committee, yung ito sa pinag-identify and inilawag na po, no, for construction / repair of the classroom. So, we will have a continuation of the repair and construction of classrooms this year. Masasabi na po na we were able to work out billions of pesos, no, when it comes to soft and hard projects, no. And at the end of the day, it will be the Bicolanos who will be benefiting, no, for the projects and programs na sa tuya po na workout, no, during last year kang kita po nagkakigwa pa ng mga budget deliberations.